Looking for a great learning experience this summer? Interested in breaking into finance? Looking to network with financial professionals? Interested in developing your technical skills? Join the Street Smarts in their second annual Summer Web Finance program. The Summer Web Finance program is a free 1-month-long virtual program running from August 3rd to September 3rd, 2021 on Tuesdays and Fridays from 6:30 to 7:30 p.m. Pacific Standard Time. Participants will get the opportunity to network with and learn from financial professionals across several sectors within the institution and banking industries. Students will also get the chance to gain technical skills through hands-on experience by working with Excel, financial models, and financial statements. Individuals who complete the program will receive a certificate of completion signed by the CEO and board coordinator of the Street Smarts. The 2020 Summer Web Finance program attracted individuals from 50 universities and colleges across the globe. The Street Smarts welcomes all individuals with an interest in finance to sign up for the 2021 Summer Web Finance program. Click the link in the description to sign up. We hope to see you there.